VoodooDE.
Martin tries the X-Toy. Ha ha ha!
Give me a hug, man.
What's up?
I'm good, I'm good. I'm just gonna move out.
Hi!
This box is also using compressed air, and again, a 1 minute cycle, and the headset comes out dry, and about 99% sterile of all bacteria, virus, and fungus. So clean. Yeah, clean and dry.
So there's a chemical compound somewhere in the device that...
No, so it's doing it all with medical grade UVC light. That's what the little lights are. So no
compressed air for the other part.
Compressed air just to dry the headset if you have an application that needs that. If not, it can just be the light. And that's all. It's the same way they sterilize a lot of instruments in medical applications. So same light.
The new standard for audio to picture work. What is that?
That is Nuendo. So basically, Nuendo is a tool for post-production, mainly, but we have expanded it for games, and now I'm actually not showcasing post-production today. It's actually Ambisonics, which is mostly for games.
Okay.
But also all these 360 things you see online is also Ambisonics. So now I have Nuendo and the GoPro VR player both on the same machine, working in parallel, and then I actually added all the effects like the cars. There's some things going on here, like a beach. There's some people jogging, bicycles.
Okay.
So I added all these as mono files, and I route them to what we actually call the ambisonic bus.
Okay.
So that means that it's not a stereo out left and right. It's actually a lot of channels.
Wow. Yeah, yeah.
So then you think, okay, how can I listen to this? Because do I need 15 speakers? Do I need like an interface with 15 outputs? And the answer is no. It's because Nuendo will work in the ambisonic world, let's say, but then you have over here an ambisonic decoder, which means that it will decode the third order ambisonic, which is all these channels that you saw, into stereo binaural.
Okay.
Which means that now you can head track the sound with your headphones. So if you have a sphere of speakers in a room, then that will be the optimal. That will be pretty nice, but it's expensive and it's kind of complicated. So for games, for example, we have a lot of people use the binaural solution, which is just put this ambisonic sphere into your head. And then you think, okay, how can you do that? How can you pin the sounds to my head? So we have the next component, which is head tracking.
Head tracking,
yes.
okay.
So in head tracking, I can select, for example, if I can move my video manually, or if I have a VR controller.
Okay.
Like in this case, it's the Oculus, but it could be other interfaces. It could be also a 3D mouse, and then you start tracking, and then the magic happens. So if you see, this is actually the panel of the monofile, and when I turn my head, it's turning the sound around.
And you?
Fine.
Cool.
Nice to meet you again.
Yeah, nice to meet you again.
You have a new, is that the new version or?
Yeah, a bit of new.
Yeah?
So, yeah. The chip is here, and all calculations of your position is here on the device.
And how does it work together with the Oculus Go?
You can try.
Is there an app? No. Is there an app, or how does it work? How's the tracking data implemented?
I can show you. We have our own software. It's called VoodooDE system, and it's provide all tracking data to our Unity application.
Okay, cool. That's cool. So what headsets can I use it with?
Right now it's Rift, Vive, Focus, Go, Pika Goblin 1, Pika Goblin 2, Star VR,
Gear VR?
Gear VR, of course, yep. I think all popular that you can find on market.
VoodooDE.